In this comprehensive and highly detailed step-by-step professional tutorial, you will learn exactly how to install ceramic wall tiles around electrical switches and electrical boxes with maximum precision, safety, and a flawless high-end finish that looks like it was done by an expert tiler with years of experience in the field. This is one of the most delicate and technical parts of wall tiling work, because it requires not only accuracy in measurement and cutting, but also a deep understanding of alignment, spacing, electrical safety, and finishing techniques that ensure both durability and visual perfection. Working around electrical switches is a challenge even for intermediate tilers, because a small mistake in measurement or cutting can result in misaligned tiles, visible gaps, broken edges, or even damage to the electrical box area. That is why this guide focuses on every single detail from preparation to finishing, so you can achieve a professional result without stress or confusion. We begin with the most important stage, surface preparation. Before any tile is installed, the wall must be clean, level, dry, and properly prepared with the correct base material. Any dust, grease, or uneven surface can affect the adhesion of the tile adhesive, leading to long-term problems such as tile detachment or uneven surfaces. In this section, you will learn how to inspect the wall, correct imperfections, and ensure that the surface is fully ready for tiling. Next, we move to planning and layout, which is one of the most critical steps in the entire process. Proper layout planning ensures that the tiles align perfectly around the electrical switches without awkward cuts or visual imbalance. You will learn how to measure the exact position of each electrical box, mark reference lines using levels and rulers, and create a layout that keeps the tiles symmetrical and visually balanced across the entire wall. After that, we go into the precise marking and cutting stage. This is where accuracy becomes extremely important. You will see how to transfer the exact shape and position of the electrical switch onto the tile surface, how to double-check measurements before cutting, and how to use tile cutting tools such as tile cutters, grinders, or hole saws depending on the shape required. Special attention is given to making clean rectangular or circular cutouts that fit perfectly around the electrical box, without leaving gaps or cracks. This step is essential for achieving a professional finish that looks seamless and integrated. Once the tiles are cut correctly, we move on to adhesive application. You will learn how to apply tile adhesive evenly on the wall using the correct trowel technique, ensuring full coverage without excess material. Proper adhesive application is key to preventing hollow spaces behind the tiles and ensuring long-term durability. You will also learn how to press and adjust tiles around electrical switches carefully, making sure not to damage the edges or disturb the alignment. The installation process around electrical switches requires extra patience and precision. In this section, we explain how to align each tile perfectly with the surrounding pieces, how to maintain consistent spacing using tile spacers, and how to make micro adjustments while the adhesive is still workable. You will also learn how to avoid common mistakes such as pushing tiles too deeply into the adhesive or misaligning them with the switch box. We also cover